What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we finna make a simple air fried chicken, okay? Before we get started, y'all, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Do not forget that, y'all. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
So the first thing we have here, y'all, is some chicken thighs. And I'm just going to take a little oil and we're going to season it down real good. So if y'all can see here, I got a whole bunch of little seasonings here. I have some smoked paprika, some red pepper flakes, some of this chipotle. Let me show y'all. This right here. Chipotle seasoning. A little bit of seasoning sauce, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. I think that's it, y'all. Yeah. So we're just going to season this. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in it. I'm gonna squeeze it this way so that I don't get the seeds in there. I'm gonna do my best. I'm using the whole lemon, y'all. Just mix that up real good. Got a good little seasoning on there. And we're gonna put a little bit on our potatoes. So for the chicken, we're gonna add some baking powder, and let me just show y'all. I don't really know how much, but this is what we're gonna do. You just kind of want to mix this in until you don't see no more of the white and get it coated all the way around the whole thing. Let me show you how you know you poured enough is you want to see it kind of thick like that. Okay, so we have some golden potatoes. You just gonna make sure that you wash and clean these, and we just gonna cut these just like this. Once, twice, just like that. Gonna add a little oil to these too, and some of this chipotle seasoning. A little bit of seasoning salt. And a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, so we got our air fry basket. We just gonna put some of this potatoes at the bottom. Skin side down. And we're just gonna bake this on high for 45 minutes.
From outside.
And this is how it came out, y'all. Very, very crispy. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.